Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make butter juice, the only way. First, gather your ingredients: high-quality unsalted butter, a liquid base like warm water or milk, and a touch of sweetener if desired. This method focuses on achieving a perfect emulsion, ensuring a consistent texture and flavor. We'll walk through each step carefully to guarantee a delightful result every time you prepare it. To start, ensure your butter is at room temperature for easier blending. Measure out exactly 4 ounces of premium unsalted butter. Next, gently warm 1 cup of water or milk to precisely 150 degrees Fahrenheit. This temperature is crucial for proper emulsification. Finally, incorporate 1 teaspoon of your favorite natural sweetener, like honey or maple syrup, to balance the richness. Now, carefully transfer your softened butter, warm liquid, and sweetener into a high-speed blender. Secure the lid tightly and begin blending on a low setting, gradually increasing to high. Continue blending for a full 60 seconds. This extended blending time is essential to achieve a perfectly smooth, frothy, and fully emulsified butter juice, preventing any separation. Once blended, immediately pour your warm, frothy butter juice into your favorite mug. For an extra touch of flavor, consider garnishing it with a light sprinkle of cinnamon or nutmeg. This rich, unique beverage is best enjoyed fresh. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Oala water bottle and other great deals to keep you refreshed throughout your day. Enjoy your delicious creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.